My name is Danilyn from Danilyn Has a Plan, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use a daily sheet and how to decorate it and all that stuff. Now, daily sheets may sound mostly functional, and they are. Some of us use them, some of us don't. It just depends on what you're doing and how busy you are. Because if you're super busy, I definitely suggest using these. So, because it has, these are the type these are my favorite. They have the hours. Unfortunately, it isn't neutral, but I don't really care because I don't normally decorate these. But it has the hours. It has every half hour because this one is a big sheet. And it has 3 top priorities for the day, and then it has a to-do list, and then a gratitude section. Now, you can relabel these to be anything. Just like the dashboard layout, you can relabel the sections. So, we're going to start out by planning a day. So this day is not, I'm not even going to be using this. This is just an example. I would suggest that you start out by either decorating or planning. It depends on the way you want to go. I start by planning because I rather plan and then decorate around my plan. A lot of people plan around their decorations, which is fine, but this is just the way that I do it because it works better for me. I mean, hey, if it works for you, that's how it works. See, like, if you're busy, this isn't a lot of busy stuff, but like, I'm not gonna go into detail because like there's like no details for this, so no that I can think of. So like, get it done, for example, dishes, trash, vacuum. Actually, I don't think I'm spelling it right, but I don't think I spelled vacuum right. I always mess it up. And then, like, let's say grocery shopping. This is what I do before I decorate it. And then, when I want to decorate it, sorry, I just bumped you guys. But when I want to decorate it, if you're using a big sheet, then you have a lot more room. So, like, okay, I'm going to go into the mini glam girl because there's quite a bit of decorative stuff in here. Like, if I wanted to put, like, this thing in there. Come on. I hate this thing. It drives me nuts. Sometimes the clear stickers don't want to come out. But, like, if I put it up here, or, like, right here. Say I put it right here. And then, so you want to decorate the areas that you don't need. And, like, I just repeated the same quote. I'm going to put it right there. And then, I don't want to use my favorites on these because I'm not going to be using these. So let's just use one of these. This little vanity thing. Oops. Not sure what happened there. But let's say we put it over here. See, I use minimal, that's not sticking down. I'm sorry, but I use like minimal decoration when I'm doing daily sheets. Because I don't have a lot of like room to decorate because I'm always busy. So this is like when you're planning. See, it's like very simple. I would decorate it more, but just the concept is to decorate the areas that you're not going to be using. Like, and then we can decorate a classic one. This one already has color on it, and it already has a style. Fortunately, I have the sticker book for it. And then, like, let's say in this section is where I would put like my my videos and like my stuff related to YouTube on there. It's like, let's say, Plan With Me. you know? And then film. And then notes and ideas. You could put like, I can't even think of anything right now. But, and then like, if it's already decorated, you don't want to do like a ton of decoration. But like you can add some stuff because there's not really any room to decorate on this. Like I would put like maybe this like right here. It's just for fun, you know, balance out the color. But you don't really need a lot of decoration on these. I like decorating the mini ones. They just seem more fun to decorate because I don't use as much stickers, you know. I don't use them up as much. It's like this, you don't really need to decorate. And the mini, this is where I get to the fun part. So, I have the Wrong Wrong accessory book that has a bunch of the girls in it. And this is cool because this is obviously not neutral, but these are pretty cool. So, you can put one of the girls somewhere, like one of the smaller ones. You can put her up here. Ignore this stuff. This is from an erasable pen that I had and it didn't fully erase. And this is the last mini one I had. So, and then, let's say, little gold foil. Never hurt nobody. Put it maybe down there. See, the corners are perfect for decoration. Like, I have some flowers in here somewhere. Or maybe these shoes. You know, you could put, well, I don't want to use that. Let's say, there should be a flower. Wasn't there? I know there's a flower in here. That's too summery. Like these. Use some pink. Maybe put it right here if you're not going to be using that. Maybe right here. I like clear flowers better. Then put a flower and then like get it done. You know, whatever you have to do. Whatever's in the hours. Whatever your focus that day. And then do this later. You know, I'm not gonna like spend my time writing this, wasting your time, so. And then that is how you decorate, how you use a daily sheet. Now, I'm kind of gonna go off on a little bit of a tangent about time blocking. And then let's say you had, let's say you had work and school and like several things going on. Like you had like parties to go to with your friends, you like stuff to do with your friends. Like you had social stuff, you had work, you had school, like social, work, school, and like let's say family events, like it was the holidays or something, you know. So you have these 4 things, and you can make a color coding list. So color code, and then you can be like, you can make family, friends. When you're super busy, it makes it easy to see it at a glance instead of searching for, wait, what am I doing today? You know, so you know where you're gonna go, what you're doing, so that way you're not confused. Like family, friends, school, work, you know. And let's say meals. No, it's kind of random, but like meals. And then you've got some highlighters. And you want to make family orange, let's say. And you want to make friends green. Highlighter's running out. Okay. No one cares. It works. Kinda. And then school pink. Work yellow. And then meals blue. Mess that up. Okay. So in that way, whenever you see it over here, what you're doing. So like, for example, you have to work on your writing assignment, like it's up here. Work on essay. And then maybe we can say, I don't know, we can say maybe Christmas party, since it's apparently in Christmas because of Christmas baking. Let's make this meals, brunch with friends. Oops, okay. That was clumsy. And then you make not grocery shopping. Christmas party, orange, you know. So that is it, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Happy planning.